So it's a Monday night. I'm outside on the dock. The sun's setting right now. It's absolutely beautiful out. It just actually finished raining, so there's this like super cool feeling in the air, and it's like so still, and there's no one outside, and I felt like sitting down and talking to you guys. So a lot of you guys know in a couple weeks, it's so weird to think about, I'm moving into college. I'm starting my freshman year in a new state at the University of Georgia, and I could not be more excited. I want to say like I can't wait, but I can wait. Like I am so excited. It's in a couple weeks, but I'm really trying to soak up the next few weeks at home that I have. I'm actually heading to LA, and when you guys are watching this I might be in LA. I don't really know, because I like to go to LA once every summer to kind of, work with people, go to meetings, shoots, collaborations. Just I feel like it's like home base for YouTube, and it's really important that I go there, and this was the only time that I could really go, which is like right before I go to school. So when I get back from LA I have like 2 weeks, and then I head off to college. I just kind of wanted to sit down and talk about how I feel about going to college and how I feel about moving away from home, and maybe if you guys are feeling the same way, you can kind of relate to this video in any sort of way. I don't know, I just want you guys to know that you're not alone, and I'm starting to freak out a little bit too, and it's good feeling, it's scary feeling, it's sad, it's all kinds of emotions. My whole life I've always been so excited about life. I've always been so excited about the future, what's next. I've always loved to travel. I don't really get homesick often, but again, I'm not away from home for like a year. If anything, the longest I've been away from home without my parents is like 2 weeks, and that was like sleepaway camp, and that was so much fun, but I was ready to come home. Especially like the past 2 years in high school, I feel like your whole life is dedicated to applying to college and getting into the perfect college and planning out this and planning out that, and then you kind of are so involved in that and so distracted by all of that craziness and applications and everything that you forget that this is like a big change in your life. And I'm always excited about doing new things. I am a very independent person. I love traveling alone. I love doing things alone and being away from home, but recently it's occurred to me that I don't think I'll ever live in my house again, like how I am now. Like, of course, this is still my home. I will come back, for Thanksgiving, for winter break, for spring break, for summer. Like, this is my home. I'm not gonna be here all the time. My room will be my room, but it'll be different. I'll have my dorm room now. I'll have my apartment that I am getting also, so I can film videos. Like, those will be home to me too. It's just weird, and I love change, but I also hate it. It's also just really weird to think about the fact that, my brother's still gonna be here. It's almost like he's an only child when I'm not around here, because I won't be here, if he needs me for something, or if he just wants someone to talk to. Like, he's the kid of this house. Starting to rain again. This is awesome. It's just drizzling. Let's hope it doesn't start pouring. My whole life is essentially about to change. And I'm not ever gonna be this kid again. I mean, you're always kid at heart, but it's just like, I'm getting more and more adult, and it's freaking me out a little bit. Definitely for you guys that are still in high school or middle school even, like, enjoy it. Enjoy it while it lasts. Enjoy, your mom making breakfast for you and all that stuff. Like, the other day, my mom and I were talking about, what were we talking about? Some sort of, like, really cute breakfast idea. I was like, oh, perfect, like, you can make me that for breakfast, when school starts again. And then we were both like, yeah, and then we both got silent. We're like, oh my god, like, I won't be here for my mom to make me breakfast in the morning. Like, that's weird. I don't mean to make this video sad. It's just like, it's all hitting me. Like, I've been so excited for college, and I really haven't thought about anything else. Like, I've just been like, yeah, let's go. Like, dorm room accessories and decor, and like talking to my roommate, and game day outfits, and sorry, my hair's just a mess because it's so humid out. I've just been so caught up in it all, and then I'm getting emotional, and I think that's okay. I think that's really okay, and I just want you guys to know, if you're feeling the same way, don't feel like you're crazy or you're a weirdo because you're sad that you're leaving home. I love being away from my house just because I love doing things, not because it's anything against my house, but I am starting to get really freaked out and really sad about it. Like, what if my mom, while I'm gone, turns my room into a guest room? Oh no, I'd be very upset. She would never do that to me, but still, it's like freaky. Like, you're not always here. Like, but I also think this is a very natural change. I think this is something that happens to everyone. I think that this is a natural transition. It's just very natural. I keep saying natural because I keep having to remind myself that I'm not the only one feeling this way, and some people are probably feeling even more overwhelmed, if not more sad about this. So I have to remind myself about that, and I hope that you guys can too, and you can relate to this in any sort of way. But yeah, I'm so beyond excited. I can wait. I'm ready. I want to experience my last few weeks at home. It's gonna be really freaking weird. I'm just not looking forward to the day that I have to walk outside of my house. I've lived in this house my whole life. It's so crazy. It's crazy. And it's always my home, and it's always my home base, and my family will be here, but it's just weird, and it's really raining now. I just want you guys to know, I love you guys so incredibly much, and I'm so excited for college. It's going to be so much fun. I know once I get there, I'm going to forget about everything. There'll be times when I definitely get homesick, but that's what FaceTime's for. That's what planes are for, and I'll make so many great friends there, and I already have great friends there, and I have you guys, which is awesome. So I'm beyond excited, but I just wanted to let you guys know, if you're feeling this way, you're not alone. And if you have any tips, definitely comment them down below. For your girl, I love you guys so much. It's really starting to rain, so I'm going to peace out. But yeah, bye guys.